What's up, YouTube? We're coming at you with another video, taking out some little shrubs. All the ones with orange are going. Gonna be cleaning this up, pressure washing. We've already started cutting quite a bit of these sucker trees out. That one already looks much better. This little guy's going. This is all getting pressure washed. Gonna be painting that tiny building right there after we pressure wash it. Taking these guys with the orange tags out. That limb back here. And all these little orange tags. Get you up a little closer. Well, YouTube, we got that one done in a snap. Got a pile here, trailer load there they're covering. Got the sucker out of that one. Freed that dogwood up. Look at this pressure washing job. Looks new. Got rid of that little stump. Pressure washed the building. They did not want the roof done. Got rid of that. Cleaned up around this tree. Building's getting painted too. Move that limb. Got rid of all the little orange tags through here. And that one's done in a snap.